Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready, students. Everyone, stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. Hands up. Put your hands down. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Hands up. Put your hands down. Hands up. Put your hands down. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Okay, children? Sit in a place. Add two-digit numbers with regrouping. See, add two-digit numbers with regrouping. A. 75 plus 36. B. 84 plus 67. C. 94 plus 46. D. 78 plus 98. Okay, you know already how to do this. What you have to do? You should draw the column. Yes, this is two-digit numbers. See, ones, tens. Okay, 75 because 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place. Understood? See, 36. 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. Understood, children? See? Ones place, tens place. $75, 36. See, 7 is in ones tens place, 5 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. What you have to do? You should add. Plus means what? Addition. Yes. Add you should do. 5 plus 6. How much? 6 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. If 11 came here, see 11. In 11, what you have to do? In ones place, which number is here? 1. That 1 you should write. Tens place, which number is here? 1. That 1 you should carry forward. Understood? Now, these 3 numbers you should add. 1, 7, 3. You should add. 7 in the mind, take 1 finger. 7 after 8. 8 in the mind, take 3 fingers because here 3 is here. That's why 3 fingers you should open. 8 after 9, 10, 11. That 11 you should write here. Understood, children? What is that answer? 111 is the answer. Next. Again. Here also you should draw the column. Ones place, tens place. Because here two-digit numbers only we are doing. Yes, that's right. See, in tens place, which number is here? 8. That 8 you should write here. In ones place, which number is here? 4. That 4 you should write in ones place. Here. Next, which number is here? 84 plus 67. 84 plus 67 you should do. That's why this 67 should write down. Understood, children? 67. Now what you have to do? You should add 7 plus 4. 7 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. If again 11 came, what you have to do? You should write 1's place 1 year, 10's place 1 year. Now you should add 8, 6, 1. As 8 in the mind, take 1 finger. 8 after 9. 9 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That 15 you should write here. Understood, children? What is that answer? If you add 84 and 67, what is the answer? 151 is the answer. Understood? Now, again you should draw the column. See, 1's place, 10's place. 10's place, which number is here? 9. That 9 should write here. 1's place, 4. Here. 10's place, plus this place you should write here. Again, 4, 6. 4 is in 10's place. In 1's place, 6. That's right. You should write here. What is that? 94 plus 46 is equal to, you should add the answer. You will get, if you add the question, you will get answer. Okay. 4 plus 6. How much? 6 in a mind. Take 4 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. If 10 is there means in 1's place 0. That was 0 you should write here. This one carry forward. Understood, children? If 2-digit number came means you should keep 1's place number here. 10's place number you should carry forward. Next, 9 in the mind, take 1 finger. 9 after 10. 10 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14. That 14 you should write here. What is that answer? 140 is the answer. Understood, children? See, again you should draw the column. One's place, 10's place. See, first number, what is that number? 78. 78. After that, which number is here? 98. Now, 8 plus 8, 16. 8 in the mind, take 8 fingers. Okay. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward. Again you should add these 3 numbers. 9, 7, 1. 9 in the mind, take 7 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in the mind, take 1 finger. 16 after 17. That 17 you should write here. What is that answer? 176 is the answer. Understood, children? Drill time you should do. This is not drill time, but questions are different. Okay, I gave my own questions. You should make that how to do. Understood? These questions are different, children. Did you understood? You should do your in the textbook. See, this one drill time. These questions you should do. Okay, first bit. I gave my own. Children, you learn 2-digit number. Now 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. See, you should draw again column. How many columns? How many columns you should draw? Tell me. 3 columns. Because this is 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 columns you should draw. 1, 2, 3. See, ones, tens, hundreds. Yes. See, whenever if you have their numbers 3, 4, 5, any numbers, you should see that numbers and how many columns you should draw, like that you should think and you should write. Okay. See, 456. Yes. 100 place, which number is here? 4. Tens place 5. Ones place 6. 456 plus 347. 347. Okay, you should add these two numbers. 6 plus 7. 7 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. If 13 came means what you have to do? You should write here ones place here. This tens place carry forward. Understood? Again, 5 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 5 after 6. 6 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. If 10 came means what you have to do? This 0 here. Tens place here carry forward. Understood? Now these 3 numbers you should add. 4 in the mind, take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. What is that answer? 803 is the answer. Understood, children? What I am saying? How you did 2-digit numbers? Same like that only. 3-digit numbers, 4-digit number, 5-digit number. Any digit. If I give any digit, you can do this. Understood? You can do the sum. But you should write in the places, place value chart, you know na? That one you should write. After that you should do that. Then you can easily do. Understood, children? See, again place value chart you should draw. Ones, tens, hundreds. As now, what is that? 846. 846. 840. Yes. 840. What you have to do this? Plus, add, addition. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. How much? 6. Any number if you add in 0, that number itself, as you know na, rules, properties of addition. See, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. That 8 you should write here. Again, 8 plus 8. 8 in the mind, take 8 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is that answer? 1686. What is that answer? 1686 is the answer. Next again. See, again you should draw the column. Ones place, tens place. See, I'll write 9. Sorry, I should draw 3 lines as because hundreds place is there. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 3-digit numbers. Yes, that's why. See, 793. 7 is in hundreds place, 10's place, 9 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. Now, 634. Addition you should do. Okay? See, 3 plus 4. 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 9 is in 9. 9 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 12 like that only should write? No. 2 here, 1 carry forward. Next, 7 is in the mind, take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the mind, take 1 finger. 13 after 14. What is that answer? 1427. Understood, children? Ones, tens, hundreds. 956, 386. 6 plus 6. 6 in a mind, take 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 2 here, 1 carry forward. Yes. Again these 3 numbers you should add. 8 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the mind, take 1 finger. 13 after 14. 4 here, 1 carry forward. 9 in the mind, take 1 finger. 9 after 10. 10 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 10 after 11, 12, 13. 1342. Answer. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Children, I gave you for example of these questions. Okay. In the classwork you should write that. Now these 2 bits. See, drill time. These 2 bits you should do in the homework. Homework book you should do. Okay. First bit and second bit. Similar questions I gave in the classwork, children. Understood? Like that only you should do these 2 bits. Okay. You will do now. Okay, we'll meet again in the next class. Bye, children.